Hey there, everyone out there. This is literally my absolute favorite body spray and my favorite scent. It's the Body Fantasies Vanilla Spray Body Spray. And here you see I have the 1 ounce bottle, cute little baby bottle. And this one is the 3.2 ounce bottle. And there's also an even larger size that the scent comes in. And I have been using this scent for years, like years, maybe 5-6 years. Like I said, vanilla is my favorite scent. I'm really not a fan of really heavy scents or floral scents. A lot of them tend to make me sneeze. And then if you go around someone else that happens to have allergies or are just sensitive to heavy scents like that, then you're making them sneeze and you look like a jerk. So that's why I really like this vanilla spray, because vanilla, who doesn't like the smell of vanilla? It's light, it's soft, it's sweet, it's fun and summery fresh. Like, it just smells really good. So this is why I have used this for years and years and years, and I imagine that I will for years to come. And I do buy the bottles in different sizes. Like this one I will have to sit on my dresser, and this one I will use as like my travel bottle, or the bottle to put in my purse or a small bag or something like that, because you can just very easily, you know, take the tops off, take the big one, pour some into the smaller one, and bam, your travel one is refilled. Now this vanilla scent, its top note is a crisp apple blossom, and the middle notes include a rosy petite for a creaminess to the fragrance, and also the fresh scents of cotton. These sprays were made in the USA. As you can see, I've had this bottle for a long time. I will always go and refill it. As you can see, this one is new. Like I said, I'll go and buy a big bottle and just refill my smaller bottle that I travel with. See, it is made by PDC Brands, and their headquarters is in Stamford, Connecticut. The fragrance is made in the USA, hey, and you can find a lot of information on bodyfantasies.com on their website. I've never really had a problem in all of my years of using their product. I've never had an issue with the bottles breaking or bursting or leaking, or, you know, sometimes the, you know, spray won't come out very right, but I have not had that experience at all with Body Fantasies in all the times that I've used them. And as you can see, it's very liquidy, and the bottles are going to last you a very long time. Like, just a couple of spritz on your body is really going to go a long way. It fits really great in your purse, this travel one, and this is the one that is also really good for traveling. It can go in your carry-on very easily and meets all of the TSA requirements. Oh, and let's take a look here. Let's get up here. As you can see, the ingredients, it does contain alcohol, so it is flammable. Definitely don't want to get this into your eyes. As you see, PDC Brands, Stamford, Connecticut. It's very liquidy. You always want to make sure You have the tops twisted tight. You don't want it to leak in your purse. That would be terrible. Whenever I buy it in the store, it comes pretty much just like this. It doesn't even come in a package. It's just as is, boom, ready to use. Take off the top and you are ready to go. Body Fantasies, they do have a lot of different fragrances with their body sprays, but like I said, I do prefer the sweet and fun, flirty smell of vanilla. The bottling is pretty durable. It's not very fragile. Of course, you don't want to just go throwing it around everywhere, but you know, if you drop it, it's still going to be okay. It's of a very hard plastic, so definitely has some durability to the bottle, which of course you want if you're going to be putting it in your purse and it's going to be rummaging around with everything else. And it's a really great gift to give as well. It's a smell that is pretty universal, that everyone pretty much likes, so it would be a really great gift to give to your daughter, because again, it smells good, and if you buy it for your daughter, it's not one of those uber sexy type smells, so it's good for your daughter, it's good for your wife, it's good for girlfriends, moms. It's really just a great scent all around, and goes all over the body, and it lasts a really long time because just a couple of spritz and she's gonna be good. So definitely makes an awesome gift, and that is why I have been a loyal purchaser of the Body Fantasies vanilla spray for all of these years. So thank you so much for watching. Bye.